This tutorial is about Explore option. Explore option is a very handy tool used for various analysis. It provides descriptive statistics as well as normality, outlier, and graphs, all of which are very helpful to understand your data very thoroughly. Let's run an Explore analysis and go through the output to explore the information it generates. Go to Analyze. The third option is Descriptive. Under the descriptives, the third option is Explore. Click Explore. Another dialog box will pop up. There are a few ways we can run the Explore analysis. At this time, let's run the Explore analysis in a very basic way. I'll add 4 variables. If you want to run an Explore analysis, you need to add the variables into the dependent list and leave the rest of the options as default. Click Statistics. Under Statistics, select Outlier at this point and press Continue. Under Plots, uncheck Stem and Leaf and check Histogram. Also check Normality Plots with Test and hit Continue. And that's it. There is nothing else to do. Click OK and output will be generated. It's currently running. So here is the output for Explore, and we have the outputs for the previous analysis as well. Let's just run how to remove the outputs for the previous analysis. So click on this yellow book and press the delete key from your keyboard. And I'm clicking on this yellow notebook or book and pressing the delete key. So let's just delete the previous outputs to clearly explore the Explore options generated output. So the first table is a case processing summary. This table provides sample size for each variable and the percentage for each variable. We have a sample of 20 and there is no missing value. That is why these percentages are 100%. The second long table is similar to descriptives table or descriptives analysis we have previously conducted. Under this table, first variable is religion. A mean is provided. That is a categorical variable, so mean and standard deviation are not meaningful at this point. It also provides minimum, maximum, range, skewness and kurtosis, statistics value, and standard error. Then we have other descriptive statistics information for other variables such as age, income, gender. So this is a very useful table. There is some additional information it provides, such as 5% trimmed mean, 95% confidence interval for the mean, which is a discussion for later videos. Let's just scroll down and explore what other options it provides. So it also provides a table for extreme values. Let's skip this information for now and we'll discuss later and focus on the main information we want to explore. So the next table is for a test of normality, and we have 2 types of tests, Kolmogorov-Smirnov and Shapiro-Wilk. The significance value indicates if the data is normally distributed or if the data is non-normal. And after test of normality, there are a bunch of graphs generated for each variable. In the left pan, you can see the graphs are generated for all the variables. And at this point, graphs are only important for continuous variable, and we have age, the continuous variable. So let's just explore age. And the first graph is a histogram for age. If you remember, fourth point for descriptive statistics was the shape of distribution under which skewness and kurtosis were discussed. So to graphically assess the distribution of any continuous variable, the histogram is an important graph. Histogram provides important information about the distribution of the data on any variable, if the data is normally distributed or not in terms of skewness and kurtosis, or if the data is in a bell curve shape. The Explore option is very useful as it provides descriptive statistics about variable and the normality through normality analysis, as well as through graphs and outlier information about the variables.